Good morning. We're at 2820 Delores Drive in Eagledale. This is Charles with 360 Real Estate Investing, partnership with Gear Realty. We'll take our interior tour here. As we walk up to the front of the house, concrete porch. This property has a converted garage, so let me take a look, or step back here so you guys can take a look at this a little bit better. It's a ranch home with paneling. And here on the left side with these double doors, here's where the garage conversion has occurred. We walk up onto the porch and then through the door. Takes us straight into one of the living areas in the property. Carpet, significantly older carpet, should be replaced, could be cleaned, depending on what you're looking to do with the property. Windows appear to be in good shape in this room. So I'm looking up above the window and on the roof or on the ceiling line here. I am seeing some discoloration over here by the door. So potentially some repair work has been done, but I'm not seeing, let's see what we got over here. Some cracks up there at the top. So it could be just some general settling. I'm not seeing anything significant on the top, right where the wall and the ceiling meet. It's not causing me concern really, and as I'm walking through, despite the fact that there's fairly thick padding on this flooring, I'm not seeing or feeling anything of concern from a structural standpoint in this room. As we walk off to this area here, we now have vinyl wood flooring, manufactured vinyl wood flooring. Immediately over here to the left, these are the double doors for where the garage conversion. So this entire area is the garage conversion. It's done with wood paneling. Some beams on the ceilings. We've got a pot stove, I guess, for decoration. It's just a gas stove. Probably wanted to remove that, wouldn't be too much of an issue for it. There is central heat and air, so my guess is this is a little bit more for aesthetics than heat, although because it is a garage conversion, I don't know what's behind these walls. It could be a necessity, because maybe it doesn't have the same level of insulation. Closet here on the front of this. So again, double doors here out to the front from the garage conversion. The kitchen is off of this room as well. So a breakfast area, kitchen table area, etc. Kitchen here certainly hasn't been updated, although that does look like just from a style purpose, a newer dishwasher, but the refrigerator and range are definitely older. This wall here, where the sink is, backs up to the mechanicals room. So there could be options for opening up a little bit. And then this wall here opens up into that front room. So again, possibilities if you wanted to spend some money to reconfigure. We have a sliding glass door out onto a wood porch, which we'll go to here in just a moment. So you come back into the main entrance area. We'll head over to the other side where the bedrooms are. As you'll see right here, this doorway goes into a little room where the mechanicals are. We'll walk in there shortly, but this is where the mechanicals and the washer and dryer are located. We have a hallway closet here. So this wood flooring, this carpeting goes through the entryway and into the hallway. From looking at the walls, On here, I don't see anything structurally that has a concern. Again, as I walk through, I'm not feeling anything either. To the right are 2 bedrooms at the front of the house. This bedroom here is quite small. What you'll notice a theme here with the closets, they all have this sliding partition type for the closet, obviously to make sense functionally for space usage. Otherwise it might be difficult to get furniture in here. Other than discoloration, I'm not seeing, and I think this is just wear and tear, I'm not seeing any real issues. There's some holes there in the wall, but that looks like just something that's mounted there. Go into this other bedroom into the front. Again, good condition. There's some nail pops right there from the sheetrock on the ceiling, but that's just probably because it's older. Not real concerned about it. Window here. And again, you'll see the closet that's there. Similar accordion style partition for the closet. And then over to the 3rd bedroom. This one has the wood style laminate. Structurally, again, not seeing concerns. From the ceiling, as I'm walking on the flooring, not seeing much of a concern. Again, the closet's here with this partition style, accordion style doorway. All right, as we walk into the bathrooms here, you'll see it's listed as a 1.5, and both of these bathrooms are right next to each other. So let's see what we got here. So this bathroom is your full bathroom, tub enclosure, toilet, sink, etc. Little medicine cabinet or what you have over here. And then in this room is the half bath. So again, right next to each other, both of these rooms, to give you your 1.5 bath feature. Okay, come back around. Thermostats. Come back around in here to the mechanical room. So again, reminder of the layout. Here's the living room. As we walk in from it, this is to the mechanicals right to here. There's a tight squeeze to get in here. Right off to the left, water heater. Looks to be newish. Water treatment, water softener. And then the furnace right here. Again, appears to be in newer condition. And then the rest of this room has some storage. There is a refrigerator in here, which causes some concerns. No big deal, I just bumped into a shelf. Washer and dryer are located in here, and a door to the outside. So you could still close off that door to create only access to this from the outside. It wouldn't be an issue. Behind this wall again is the kitchen, so I'll blow out of it, maybe with some reconfiguration to open some things up if you wanted to. Of course, that would require moving some plumbing and electric, because there's your panel, electric panel, etc. But again, just some ideas for the property. All right, we'll go ahead and walk outside now. We'll go out the front door and walk around the side. Again, here's the garage conversion. I'll back up a little bit so we can get a better look at the roof. There's a little bit of sagging here on the roof on this side where the garage conversion is. Doesn't seem significant, but something that might want to be checked at some point. The roof, I'd say, has 5 to 10 years left, definitely less than 10 years left of a remaining life, depending on the decking. It could be less. The siding here on the front of the house looks to be in good condition. I'm not seeing any breaches from underneath or on the side here. On the side of the house, again, siding looks to be in good condition, no breaches. Backyard here is not fenced on the sides, but is fenced towards the back. A nice hedge for some privacy and a wood porch. And we're looking at the siding here down the house line. I'm not seeing anything of real concern. There are, as you may have noticed, there's a lot of these awnings, electrical awnings. I think they're sunshade, sunsetter type things that you see advertised all the time. The deck appears, can't tell because of the snow here, but otherwise the deck appears to be in pretty good condition. Real thick hedge here, like I said, for privacy. This is the sliding glass doors that go into the kitchen area. This is the door that goes into the mechanical area. So here's your meter, etc. Here's your condenser, your AC, your gas meter. Again, structurally, we look like we're in good condition here. Definitely some options on the home. And around over to this side, again, siding still in good condition. Not seeing any real concerns. Property does have a detached storage in the back. I would see no way to get a car into this, but storage facility nonetheless. Looks to be in good condition. Don't know if there's any power to it or not. I don't see anything that goes into it from a power perspective. Anyway, there we are, the exterior of the house. Take a look at the roof on the back side here. Similar condition, maybe a little bit worse off. But again, I think it's nothing in immediate need of attention. Depending on the decking, 5 to 10, probably closer to the 5 than to the 10-year remaining on it. Thanks for your time. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and give Gloria or myself a call if you have any additional questions or would like any more information.